Make a great choice today with the 2017 Grand Cherokee. The Jeep Grand Cherokee offers superior off-road capability comparable to that of the upscale Land Rover LR3. This makes the Grand Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: hill descent control, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights, ambient lighting, braking assist, power brakes. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.